5 home remedies for carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome is a condition affecting the hands and arms that can cause the tingling sensation and numbness at the initial stage. As it progresses to advanced stages, it may lead to severe pain and weakness in the hands, and even cause nerve damage. Carpal tunnel syndrome can occur in one of the both of the hands and generally more common in women than men. The cause of the most common cause is unknown, however it is usually due to the excessive pressure on the median nerve that travels through the wrist at the carpal tunnel. Number 1 is cold compresses. For temporary and quick relief from the inflammation and numbness caused by carpal tunnel syndrome, you can use a cold compress. The cold compressor will help to relieve the pain by numbing and affected areas. It can even reduce the swelling and inflammation. Put a few ice cubes in a plastic sealable bag. Wrap the bag in a towel and apply it on the affected area. Leave it in place for about 10 minutes. Repeat every hour to so far for needed. Massage therapy. Massaging your hands and wrists is another effective way to alleviate some symptoms of the CTS. It will elevate the pressure points on your hands, which in turn will increase the blood pressure, relaxes muscles, improve mobility, and reduces the pain. Rub some warm coconut or olive oil in your hand and wrist. Massage your arm, wrist, hand and finger with gentle strokes for 10 to 15 minutes. Do this 2 to 3 times daily until you notice improvement in your condition. Number 3 is Epsom salt. Epsom salt is a natural muscle relaxant and anti-inflammatory due to the magnesium contents. It can effectively relax the tightened muscles in your hand and wrist. Half tablespoon of Epsom salt in a deep water tub with warm water. Soak your hands and wrist in about 10 to 15 minutes. Use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week until you get relief from the pain and stiffness. Number 4 is Castor Oil. Castor Oil is another good remedy for treating CTS. It can help to reduce the inflammation, suppresses pain, restore normal functioning in your wrist. Warm your castor oil and apply it on your hand and fingers. Massage your wrist, thumb, fingers and back of your hand for 10 to 15 minutes. Wrap your hands in the flannel and leave it for the 1 hour. Do this daily once a week or until there is improvement. Number 5 is acupuncture and acupuncture. Acupressure and acupuncture therapy can also help in natural treatment of the carpal tunnel syndrome. It helps to restore the normal nerve functioning and provides the relief from the pain. In fact, it is a good option for those who want to avoid early surgery. A 2012 study published in Journal of Research in the Medical Sciences also found acupuncture therapy to be helpful in reducing the symptoms of carpal tunnel syndrome.
Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.